There's only one vehicle that blends classic style and modern design to create the next generation of an icon. Take a look at this 2022 Dodge Durango SXT Blacktop in white knuckle. With HID headlamps, premium fog lamps, 20-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot and cross-path detection, front bucket seating, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 41,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen, Apple CarPlay and Google Android Auto, sport mode, split folding rear seats, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 91264A.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.